Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do class 10 11th chapter area related to circles and exercise 11.1 first question. See here already introduction video completed. You follow the playlist, you will get introduction video. First you can watch that one. See here first question, what is there? Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter. The angle of the sector is 60 degree. Here is given the radius. This circle radius how much is there? 6 centimeter is there. Next, a sector angle, the angle of a sector. Sector means what? Radius to radius. This arc middle region is a sector. This sector degree how much is there? 60 degree. So first you write here radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Sector here degree means we will take a theta. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is nothing but here degree. Okay. Theta is equal to 60 degree. First area of a sector. Area of a sector formula first you write. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of a sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. See here theta means a degree. Here how much degree is there? 60 degree. By 360 into 360 into pi value is the 22 by 7. Radius how much is there? 6 centimeter. So 6 into 6. Okay, any cancel chances is there? 0, 0 cancel. 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36. Next what is a 6 1 ja 6 1 ja cancel. So what is remaining? 22 into 6. 6 2 ja 12. 6 2 ja 12 plus 1 13. 132 by 7. This is the area. So units what we can write? Centimeter square. This is the area of the sector is equal to 1. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Here circumference given 22 centimeter. What is the question mark? Area of the quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4. Here 360 degree 1/4 is the 90 degree. Quadrant also nothing but it is also sector only. See here 2 radius arc middle region is a sector. Okay. First of all, here we don't know the radius. First we will find the radius. Okay, radius finding, what is the chance is there? Is given the circumference. Okay, circumference is equal to 22 centimeter given. So area, circumference of a circle formula, what? Circumference of a circle formula 2 pi r is equal to 22. Formula right here, circle circumference 2 pi r is equal to 22. Now see here, 2 into pi value is the 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 22. Next, r is equal to, first write 22. Here nothing means what? 1. So 2 by 1 reciprocal, 1 by 2. 22 by 7 reciprocal, 7 by 22. Any cancel chance is there? See here, 22 ones are 22 ones are. So r is equal to what? 7 by 2. R is equal to, we can write 7 by 2 also and 3.5 centimeter also, but fraction only, calculations easy for us. Okay. Now what we will find? Area of quadrant. Now we will find area of quadrant. Okay. Area of quadrant. Quadrant means it is also, we will use a sector formula. So what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta means nothing but here how much degree? 90 degree. So 90 by 360 into pi value is the 22 by 7. Radius, just now you got, what is the radius? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now cancel chances is there, see, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Next 9 ones are 9, 9 4s are 36. Next see this 7 cancel. Again what is remain? 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are. Again what is remain? Nothing. Okay, here 11 into 7 remain, down remain 4 into 2. Okay, what is the answer? 11 7s are 77 by 8. So area of quadrant 77 by 8 centimeter square. This is the length of the minute hand of clock is 14 centimeter. Minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area of the swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Minute hand moved year to year. 5 minutes moved. So 5 minutes moved means here this area we will find. So here radius. So this is the arc means which sector area we will find. Here also one sector is there. That sector area we will find. So this minute hand 5 minutes moved means this area we will find. So area finding, here first of all we don't know the degree. First we will find the degree. So here radius how many centimeter? First we will write radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Next, angle described by the 5 minutes. Minute hand moved year to year. 5 minutes moved. 5 minutes moved means here how much degree is there? First we will find the degree. Later we will find the area. So degree finding, what is the chances there? Carefully listen. First full circle. Circle means how much degree? 360 degree. First full circle means how much degree? 360 degree. Next 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. Right here 360 by 60 into here 5 minutes degree you want. So here into 5 you write. First 360, right? Full circle means 360 degree. And 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. In 60 minutes we want only 5 minutes degree. It is moved 5 minutes. So 5 minutes degree you want. Okay, see here 0 0 cancel. 6 1 is 6, 6 is 36. So what is the degree? 6 5 is 30 degree. So here how much degree is there? 30 degrees there. So now we will find this area. This area means a sector. So right here area of sector is equal to area of sector is equal to area of sector formula what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, now apply the value. Theta value degree how much is there? 30 degree. 30 by 360 into pi value is the 22 by 7 into radius how much is there? 14 centimeter. 14 into 14. This one simplified means you will get the answer. Now see here 0 0 cancel. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is. Next 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Next what is there? 2 1 is 2. 2 6 is 12. Next 2 1 we will cancel. 2 3 is 6. 2 11 is. So what is our final answer? 11 into 14. So 14 into 11 we will do. 11 means 14 14. So 4 154. So 154 down remain 3. 154 by 3 centimeter square. So this area how much is there? 1. Now fourth question. A card of a circle. First we will take one card. AB is a card. Okay. A card of a circle of radius. So here you take 2 radius. This radius how much is there? 10 centimeter. This is a card. Here radius 10 centimeter and subtended right angle at the center. So card here 2 radius you are taking is here how much degree is there? 90 degrees there. 90 is a right angle at the center. So here 90 degrees there. Find the area of corresponding minor segment and major segment we will find. Minor segment means only this much. This shaded area is a minor segment. Next full ear to ear major segment. Segment means a card arc region is a segment. So minor segment means this area we will find. Major segment means this area we will find. First we will find a minor segment. What is given? Radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Here theta is equal to how much degree? 90 degrees there. So first we will find how you will find minor segment. Minor segment means this full sector to this triangle minus 2 means you will get minor segment. Okay. Sector means this full area. This sector to this triangle minus 2 means you will get the minor segment. Okay, that concept you write. Area of minor segment is equal to area of major minor sector. This is a minor sector. This sector to you minus area of this triangle AOB triangle you write. This sector to this triangle minus 2 means you will get the minor segment you will get. Okay, now write the formula. Area of minor segment is equal to area of minor sector minus area of this triangle we will minus. Formula write. Sector is there means what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the sector formula. Minus triangle. Triangle formula half into base into height. Half into base into height. This one simplified means you will get the answer. Theta value is the 90 degree. 90 by 360 into pi value is given 3.14 into radius is 10 into 10 minus half into base height both are same. Base height both are same. So base is the 10 you take, height also you take, both are same is there. Okay, now we will cancel. So 0 0 0 0 cancel. Okay, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Next what is there? 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 3.14 into 5 into 5 remain. Okay, next see 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So here 5 10s are 50 minus 50. So this all multiplied means you will get 78.5 minus 50. 78.5 minus 50 means 28.5 centimeter square. So area of this minor segment area. Second question, major sector. Now we find it segment. We find it. Okay, which segment we find it? Minor segment. This area we find it. This is finished. Next question asking major sector. Sector means this area. This area we want major sector. See here, radius, arc, middle region is a sector. So he is asking major sector. Major sector means first we want this degree. Okay, this degree, how you will find a full 360 to 90 minus 2 means this outside degree you will get. So major sector asking means what is the formula is there? 360 minus theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, now see here 360 minus theta means this 90 minus 90 divided by 360 into pi r square. This is pi r square. Pi value we will apply. Pi value is the 3.14 into radius is how much is there? 10 into 10. Okay, 360 minus theta. Why means this full 360 to 90 minus means here you will get to 270 degree. Okay, so this one you will get to 270 divided by 360 into what is there? 3.14 into 10 into 10. This simplified means you will get major sector answer you will get. Now see 0, 0 cancel. Okay. Which table possible? 9. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Again you see 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now we will multiply what is there? 3.14 into 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. 3.14 into 75. See 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. See 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 5 3s are 15. Next plus 7, 7 4s are 28, 7 1s are 7, 8, 9, 7 3s are 21. Okay, 0, 15, 9, 10, 15, 3, okay, 2. How many digits after point? 2 digits after point. So 235.50. So last 0 means no value. So 235.5 what? Area na? Sector. Area of sector. Sector means what? It is a centimeter square. So this which sector? Major sector value is 235.5 centimeter square is the answer. Next questions we will do next video. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.